Yes, good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will have daily activities. Oke, hari ini kita akan membahas daily activity. Definisi daily activity adalah jika diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti aktivitas yang biasanya dilakukan dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Daily activity tiap orang bisa jadi sangat berbeda ataupun mirip karena setiap orang tidak selalu melakukan hal yang sama setiap harinya. Beberapa catatan, jika aktivitas itu dilakukan tidak setiap hari, maka menjadi setiap mingguan atau disebut weekly activity. Misalnya yang pertama, I go to the swimming pool and swim there every Tuesday. Yang kedua, we play badminton in the stadium every weekend. Kemudian yang contoh ketiga, she plays a piano twice a week. Kemudian catatan berikutnya, beberapa kegiatan ada yang dilakukan setiap bulan atau every month or monthly. Atau setiap tahun, every year or annual or annually. Misalnya yang pertama, I go to Surabaya every month or monthly. Kemudian yang kedua, they join a bridge competition annually. Yang ketiga, he performs a speech reading twice in a month at the campus. Berikut ini adalah formula dari simple present. Di sini ada contoh yang pertama, A, Anne takes a shower every day. Kemudian yang kedua, contoh B, I usually eat lunch at the cafeteria. Kesimpulannya, the simple present says that something was true in the past, and it is true in the present and will be true in the future. So simple present expresses daily habits or usual activity as in A and B. Kemudian contoh C, a square has 4 equal sides. And then D, the sky is blue. The simple present express general statement of fact and timeless truth as in C and D. And the formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object plus adverb of time. Signal words-nya adalah every, on, in the. Atau subject plus to be SMR plus adjective or adverb of place. There are some adverbs of frequency. Ada always 100%, usually 90%, normally or generally 80%, often or frequently 70% or 70%, sometimes 50%, occasionally 30%, seldom 10%, hardly ever or rarely 5%, never is 0%. Untuk gamesnya nanti you can choose one card of picture cards that show daily or habitual activities. Choose one piece of paper that contains several frequency of adverbs and then combine it and make a correct sentence. For example, yang pertama, she never drives her car at night. Jadi yang saya warnai kuning ini subjek, never ini adalah frequency atau adverb of frequency, drives verb 1, her car object, at night adverb of time. And then example yang berikutnya, I always have breakfast every morning. This is daily routine. Ada wake up, get up, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, brush teeth, comb hair, go to school, go to work, listen to the teacher, practice, study, go home, have lunch, do the dishes, watch TV, read a book, do the homework, listen to music, play video game, clean, go shopping, walk the dog, call friends, do sport, play with friends, cook, have dinner, take out the trash, go to bed. And then daily routine berikutnya, do the laundry, hang the clothes, iron the clothes, vacuum the floor, make a bed, go to bed, wake up, brush your teeth, drive to work, and get home. Ini contoh my daily activities. So I always wake up at 4 o'clock a.m. every day. Then I pray subuh and cook every morning. After that, I have breakfast at 5:30. And I take a bath before going to school at 5:30. Next, I teach students until 12 o'clock p.m. So I go home or get home at 12:30 p.m. every Monday up to Thursday. That is all about my daily activities. Untuk my schedule juga sama seperti tadi. Kemudian untuk formula berikutnya yang harus diingat adalah reviewnya. I play with a ball. Play di sini, I di sini subjeknya, main verbnya play. Kalau subjeknya dirubah she, maka menjadi she plays. Main verbnya with a ball. Ini untuk affirmative sentences. Kemudian untuk negative sentences, you do not play with a ball. So you is subject, do not auxiliary verb, and play main verb. Jadi kalau you-nya diganti I, you, we, they sama ya, plus do not. And then kalau she does not play with a ball, he, she, it plus does not. Untuk interrogative, do-nya ditaruh di depan, so do subject plus verb 1 plus object or complement. So do I go to the cinema? Do you go to the cinema? Do we go to the cinema? Or do they go to the cinema? Untuk he atau she, interrogatifnya menjadi does he go to the cinema? Jawabannya yes he does atau no he does not. Kemudian yang kedua, does she go to the cinema? Maka jawabannya yes she does atau no she does not. Oke, silakan praktis. Di sini ada Sela and Mira. Silakan Sevia atau siapa jadi Sela, Gati jadi Mira. Yes, silakan.
Ya. Sevia jadi apa? Sevia atau I'm first Sela, Miss?
Oh ya, silakan.
What do you do after you get up in the morning? Your turn, Sevia.
Or I will be Mira ya. Can you repeat?
What do you do after you get up in the morning?
After I get up, I wash my face, take wudu, then pray subuh.
What else?
I prepare my book. After it, I take a bath, then I have breakfast. How about you?
After I get up, I always check my handphone. After 10 minutes, I take 10 minutes. I take my bicycle at the basement. Bicycle atau bicycle, Miss?
Bicycle.
Bicycle. I take my bicycle at the basement and go outside because I like cycling. Then I take a bath and wear. Then I take a bath and wear my school uniform. Next, I have breakfast. They are not too different with you.
Okay, don't you prepare the book?
I always prepare my book on the night before.
It sounds great. Oke, sekarang coba menyusun kalimat dengan baik dan benar. Saya beri contoh yang pertama. He always goes to school every day. Oke, siapa yang mau coba? Yang nomor 2.
We play the tennis. We often ya, Miss?
Ya.
We often play the tennis We often play tennis at the stadium every Sunday.
Yeah, that's great. That's good ya. Number 3. Ada yang mau coba?
Sevia, mana Sevia ini?
Ya, silakan kalau nggak ada, silakan coba ganti belajar ya. She
sometimes read English book
English
in the
book.
library every morning.
Yeah, that's good. And then number 4.
Number 4, they usually collect interesting sticker.
Yeah, that's great. Number 5.
I buy food in the market every Wednesday.
Yeah, that's great. And then the last one, number 6.
You like watch the movie.
Yeah, you like to watch.
Pakai infinitive ya nih Miss ya.
Yeah.
You like to watch movie at the theater every Saturday. Every night Saturday.
Every Saturday night. Can you repeat?
You like to watch movie at the theater every Saturday night.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, this is the reference. So thank you very much. Don't forget to give like, share, and subscribe my channel. My quote is enjoy our life and practice more. Okay, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you, Miss.